Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo stands at the edge of a steep cliff path high above the valley. Loose rocks and small stones scatter across the narrow trail. Far below, the drop looks deep and dangerous. A new word becomes important: perilous. Perilous means very dangerous or risky. One careless step on the loose rocks could cause him to slip and fall. Timo moves slowly and carefully along the edge. He steadies himself against the rock wall as he continues forward. Step by step, he finally reaches the safe end of the path. Timo remembers that when something is perilous, it can be dangerous to cross, and careful steps and attention help him stay safe wherever he travels next.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.